Welcome to Falcon TV.
10 AI tools that are expected to be in high demand in 2023 that are completely free. Have no fear. These platforms are ideal for you if you want to reduce the amount of time you spend doing things. Our interactions with technology have undergone a sea change as a direct result of the development of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. The field of AI has seen a proliferation of cutting-edge tools over the course of the past several years, each of which makes the bold claim that it can solve common issues and make a variety of processes more efficient. There are some artificial intelligence technologies that come with high price tags. However, there is good news for enthusiasts who are on a budget. In this video, we will take a look at 11 incredible AI technologies that are available for no cost at all to utilize. These solutions provide customers access to the capabilities of artificial intelligence without breaking their budgets. Adobe Firefly is the industry-leading artificial intelligence image generator. Adobe Firefly is an artificial intelligence picture generator that is now in the beta testing phase. It is making a splash as it enters the market. This remarkable application has a wide range of capabilities, one of which is the capability to transform text into eye-catching graphics. The user only needs to submit some instructions before being able to marvel at the visually stunning outcomes generated by the AI. The best thing is that during the beta period, Adobe Firefly is completely free to use. Because of this, it is an excellent resource for anyone who wants to have creative tools readily available to them. Users are able to experiment with a wide variety of tools with Adobe Firefly thanks to its user-friendly interface, which can be accessible at firefly.adobe.com. For instance, the text-to-image option enables users to enter a prompt and, after selecting Generate, to marvel at the AI's ability to transform the text into attractive graphics. Users have the ability to further edit their works by using the filters on the right-hand side of the screen, which improves the experience as a whole. Perplexity. Your information, free of commercial interruptions, internet search engine. When conducting research, you may find that you encounter a number of obstacles along the way, such as adverts that are distracting and irrelevant search results. A savior appears in the form of Perplexity, which boasts an ad-free information search engine that is powered by GPT-4. This solid instrument delivers information that is well-cited and trustworthy, making it an invaluable resource for both academics and professionals alike. Perplexity, AI is the place to go if you want a research experience that is streamlined. Users are able to key in their searches and receive information from sources that are cited, which ensures the credibility of the data that is displayed. The interface is quite basic. Perplexity enables researchers to concentrate on their work without being interrupted by distracting advertisements and results that are not relevant to their search. Namelix is an AI-driven business name generator that makes the process easy. Namelix is here to make the arduous work of giving a company or an item a name a piece of cake by utilizing artificial intelligence. Namelix performs its magic and conjures up a list of name ideas that are brandable when you enter relevant terms that characterize your endeavor into the search bar. But that's not all. The program also gives you the ability to research potential domain names and displays logos to go along with them. And it does all of this without charging you a single cent. Simply going to Namelix.com will allow you to get a taste of the Namelix magic that is powered by AI. Once there, individuals have the option of entering keywords that best represent their overall business concept. The artificial intelligence gets to work as soon as you click Generate, suggesting a number of different names that can be branded and are relevant to the keywords you have specified. In addition, consumers have the ability to select the name style that best fits their company goals, such as brandable names, which may be customized to their preferences. The Microsoft Bing Image Creator, also referred to as Your Image Generation Ally, the Microsoft Bing Image Creator, which is another shining example of artificial intelligence, AI, is driven by DALL-E. This program streamlines the process of creating images by providing simple options for sharing, downloading, and customizing, in addition to providing a generous daily offering of 100 free images to generate. Visit the Microsoft Bing Image Creator at bing.com/creator to see for yourself how magical the process of image generation can be. Users are encouraged to let their imaginations run wild and respond to a variety of creative ideas in order to produce stunning photographs. After they have been created, photos are able to be downloaded, shared, and modified according to the requirements of the user. Palette, giving your black and white photographs. Color and vibrancy. Palette's distinctive artificial intelligence skills allow users to witness the enchantment of colorizing black and white photographs. This application is not fully free, but it does provide users with one free HD credit, which enables them to see the transforming power of AI-driven photo colorization. Visit the website palette.fm to give your black and white photographs some color. Users have the ability to upload black and white images and then watch as the AI injects vibrant colors into the photographs they have uploaded. Even though free users are restricted in terms of file size, Palette's remarkable colorization technology can be experienced through the usage of the one free HD credit. Gamma. Unleash the power of artificial intelligence on your presentations. Gamma is a platform that is powered by artificial intelligence and contains a wide variety of presentation templates. With Gamma, it is now much easier to create interesting presentations. Users are able to use their creative potential without having to start from beginning. In spite of the fact that a pro plan is presently being developed, the free plan gives users access to 400 credits that can be used to purchase AI cards. This ensures that the full potential of AI is always within reach. Gamma may be accessible via Gamma DApp, where users can also join up to begin experimenting with the potential of the platform. Users are able to select from a variety of templates that have been categorized according to their unique requirements when using a simple interface. Gamma has templates available that are adaptable to any situation, whether it's a creative endeavor or a commercial proposal. Your personal homework helper, the Socratic method assisted by AI attention, all of the pupils. The Socratic mobile app, which is powered by Google AI, is the best tool available to help students excel at their schoolwork. The students receive in-depth explanations for a variety of courses, including mathematics and science. All they have to do is take pictures of their assignments. Download the Socratic app from the App Store on your smartphone to enjoy academic aid powered by artificial intelligence. Students obtain precise answers and visual explanations after taking photos of their assigned assignments, which assists them in better comprehending the topics that are being discussed in class. Unravel artificial intelligence-generated content with GPZ0. Me. Concerned about content generated by artificial intelligence or plagiarism? We at GPZ0.me are here to allay your fears and anxieties. This program serves as a dependable AI plagiarism checker and is able to differentiate between text written by AI and content created by humans in an effective manner. Users have the option of upgrading to have access to additional scanning choices and continue to enjoy free text scanning for up to 5,000 characters. Visit gp0.me to determine whether or not the stuff you are reading is legitimate. Text that people have created can be uploaded to the AI so that it can be analyzed. This includes academic papers, blog entries, and any other type of written work. The findings emphasize content that was generated by AI, providing content creators with the assurance they need to reliably detect and rectify any instances of plagiarism. Boost the efficiency of your research efforts using ChatPDF. The chore of navigating through extensive research documents can be one that requires a lot of time. Users are able to receive answers to their inquiries in a manner that is succinct and summarized with the use of ChatPDF, a potent artificial intelligence technology that was developed by ChatPDF. ChatPDF becomes into a helpful research buddy because to its generously sized free usage limits. Visit chatpdf.com to improve the efficiency of your study process. Users are able to pose queries relating to the content of a PDF document after the document has been uploaded. The artificial intelligence then does an analysis on the material and provides summarized replies, saving the researchers the time and effort of reading through lengthy texts.
Subscribe Falcon TV for more videos. Thanks for watching.